Not finished, just reassigned. This Cessna Citation CJ1 has a whole new mission. This CJ1 is now in disassembly at BAS Part Sales. The flying mission is over, but the fleet support mission starts right now. As the aircraft moves through the hangar, we're documenting, photographing, cataloging, and listing traceable as removed components for Citation operators in maintenance shops worldwide. This CJ1 includes dual Williams FJ44-1A engines that are currently listed at BASPartSales.com, as well as Garmin GTN 750 units, Honeywell Autopilot equipment, landing gear components, cabin furnishings, oxygen equipment, flight controls, and a wide range of Citation-specific systems, parts, and components that will be available soon. Call BAS Part Sales if we can help you get back in the air. Good fleet airplanes create great parts airplanes, and this CJ1 is a great example of that. Now, if you need parts for your Citation, call our sales team quickly because the good stuff goes fast. Everything else gets listed on our store where you can shop online. If we can help you get your Citation back in the air, we are one phone call away.